What's good, YouTube? Jambisco back in this bitch with a banger reaction. And you already see what we're doing today, man. Yo, we're not gonna hold up them vibes much longer, man. What you see, we got none other than big rapper like Bob himself. Yeah, man, we're not talking about nobody else than the Senegal boss himself. We got Najeeriii, and this track is entitled Voices. He dropped this a couple days ago. Should have been reacted to it, but you know, we just don't know I get around to it, gang. I'm gonna see what's up. The last track we reacted from Najeeriii was Styles, and that was crazy. It was a vibe. The energy was, you know what I'm saying, different. You know what I'm saying? You thought you open the store for Bob's lashes and bag, discount for the fat, you know what I'm saying? So, but this one is a bit different. I believe this one's a bit deeper. You know what I'm saying? This one is entitled Voices. I'm gonna go a whole of a vibe much longer. Make sure you check out the video at the end to see the ending discussion and everything afterwards. All right. So let's check it out right now. We're gonna jump right in that track, yo, gang. This is Najeeriii Voices. Let's get it. Damn, but Bob seen her look like he touch trouble him, dog. Go on.
You have a like, bah. Yeah, what I see.
I don't know. That sample sound familiar. Where's that song from, Chad? Drop it in the comment section. But that sample sound familiar, man.
Welcome, I see that fully, man. You touch, man. Still hear your voices. The president. Turn friends with me demons. She some friends with your team. Enough deadly for real. Some envy.
Turn friend with me demons. Yo, come on.
Real ones. Me got if I'm tech for me squeeze. Bust festivities. Just mess with the cheese and me upset. Guns press for me feel glad. See guns preps just left with it. Niche gal cash his skull. Send some bread for the team. Stock still I hear voices. Me answer because me a stay silent.
Dog saying still I hear voices. Najeeriii, where I go through me G? Come on.
Send some bread for the team, stock still I hear voices. Me answer because me a stay silent. Be my brake light, got the whip a skate violence. Play for daytime and the liquor chase night. Me live a rate type, Baba fear break driving. But Prezi got the whip again mileage. When his skull say him a
man say be my be my brake light, make that a drive violent. Split for daytime, but the liquor chase nightly. Come on.
Live a yet nice brick. Me just take it and the brick shake. Kindly the kid at town when this after disappear rightly. I'm friends with the monsters inside of my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head.
Hey man, that's crazy. The man friend with Jason, and that's the mask from The Purge, bro. I actually got one of those for Halloween. That's my Halloween fit, you know.
You're trying to save me. Stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy.
Man say you trying to save me, man. Stop holding your breath. Damn, ain't no saving that. Hey, come on.
The last scene start that to myself and me have to start here. Did have to solid and brave. Cause she copy college and the Glocky family walk safe. She near me cocky from she spotty ball. Me and got the Glocky now the lucky from the matic.
She near me cocky from she spotty ball. Me and hey, you know them girl already, you know man. They girl superficial.
I'm for lavish now the Paris and States. From the cash it at the party drop it at in and chase. That my heart get numb. So me chop up every skull car. Me nah left none till I go get the funds while me dog them up. That me dark, all me dogs meds don't smell me service.
Man say me heart numb, chop up our skull car, me nah left none. Tear blood clean down me dark and the dogs ain't good.
Car meds so we war Swift Jaguar, we war Benz, but she send it off, seat black car, we charge them so. We car meds dumb car, we war make funds. I'm friends with the monster.
Yeah, meds domino car, we want meds funds. Tear man
inside of my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. You're trying to save me. Stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy.
Yo, is these messages? Who edits Bob's video, bro? Because I realize he used damn near the same person on every video. And he always got these writing in there. Is this like some kind of some message he's trying to send us, like hidden messages?
Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Done friends with me demons. See some friends with your team. Enough deadly for real. Some envy the real ones. Me got if I'm tech for me squeeze. Bust festivities. Just mess with the cheese and me upset. Guns press me feel glad.
But just mess with the cheese and gun press. Black clean. Hey. That for me feel. Hey, that's a hard ass line, bro. Listen to this.
Mess with things, just mess with the cheese and me upset. Guns press for me feel glad. See done spreads just.
Oh, just mess with the cheese and me upset. Gun press for me feel glad. Oh, I'm telling you, y'all need to stop playing with this nigga. You got lyrics for
Left with it, me girl, cause she skull send some bread for the team. Stock still I hear voices. Me answer because me a stay silent. Be my brake light, got to whip a skate violence. Play for daytime and the liquor chase nightly. Me live a rate type, but I fear rate driving. But Prezi got the whip again mileage.
Easy now, man, but Prezi got the whip again, mileage before daytime. Prezi liquor chase nightly. I have to bring your brake line, make this a G violent.
When his skull say him a deliver yet nice whip. Me just take it and he ricochet kindly. The killer town where the soft disappear ripely. I'm friends with the monsters inside
bro.
of my
Don't sleep on Najeeriii, bro.
Get along with the voices inside of my
Yeah, the man snap, bro. Don't sleep on Najeeriii, the Senegal boss. Don't sleep on Bob.
You're trying to save me. Stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy. And you think I'm crazy.
Bob. Easy no one. I cry when I time no one. Easy no one. Yeah man, the saga continues. That's funny. I just named a video that the other day. Yeah man, but shout out to the Senegal boss, bro. Shout out to Bob, bro. Big grabber like Bob, man. Shout out to Najeeriii, man. Out here doing this thing, gang. You see me? I say, yeah man out here doing this thing, bro. And it's a vibe, bro. This song is lit. Like I say, people think he's mumbling and stuff like that, but all his lyrics make sense. You see me, man say, yo, the be my brake light, make this a drift violin. You see me, I say, man say, yo, it's before daytime, put it in just nightly. You know what I'm saying, man say, yo, just mess with me cheese, I'm a vex. Just mess with me cheese, I'm a vex. Guns off his squeeze, we make me feel. Hey man, the lyrics bad. Just go listen it over again, gang, and you see exactly what I'm saying. The man wordplay is on a different level, unmatched. You see me? It's a long time I don't see artists like this. You see me? I'm saying with this level of skills, wordplay, you see me, metaphors, similes, and everything. So shout out to Najeeriii, young you in the game doing it, man. You see me? So let me know anything in the comment section about this one. Also, if you haven't seen the last one react to, which is Styles, definitely go check it out. Show there's some love and support. Making us a Jambisco dance. Also, gang, yeah. Like I said, we got new series coming to the channel, guys. We got new flames. So we recap the new music of the week. We also got the music countdown coming. Also, you know, I'm gonna start giving updates and stuff like that. So make sure you support and let me know if you like those contents. I'm gonna start giving you updates, like news updates on artists and what's going on in dancehall. It's me. Once again, this is Najeeriii. Running your voices. Don't know. If you feel like you show that to some love of sport, let me know what you react to next. All that good stuff, gang. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.